Hello, this is Team 11. The team members are Aman Chaudhary, Sachita Suresh, and Vrishab Hanumesh. So, our team is presenting an application named RTO Management. So, as we know, thousands of vehicles are registered every day, unlike the US. In India, most of the work is done offline in the RTO office, which results in a prolonged wait to get the license. To tackle this issue, we have built this web application where the admin can enter the details which is reflected at the user's end at that very instance, making the process much more simpler by taking the entire system online. Having a centralized application like this is beneficial for both customers as well as officials. Hence, with this application, we focus on making the user's vehicle registration and license issuing process very less hectic.
For the tech stack, we are using Bootstrap and embedded JavaScript in our UI. We are using MariaDB as our database and then Node.js as the backend. We are not using any third-party hosting applications because AWS provides its own custom static URL and the DB is stored in the EC2 instance and acts like a Firebase. For the application, we basically have two different views, users and admins. The user view is kind of limited and he can only see the driving license and the fine tickets. For the admin, he has various functionalities like issuing the license, registering a vehicle, issuing fine, and updating user details.
Now I'll walk you through the application. So basically, as we have user and admin, first we need to register the user. So this is a sign up page where we'll register the user. So after entering all the details, that particular user will be signed in. So once he signs in, the admin can log in, and as for now we just have one admin, and this admin privileges are provided in the backend so that the user can't manipulate it from the UI. So if you see at the details, there'll be a new user created. So we can assign a license, register his vehicle, give fines to that particular new user. So for that, we need his first name, last name, and his email address. So once we get that, we can issue a license. So the license has been issued. So once he gets a new vehicle, that vehicle can be registered from this same interface as well. All this is done from RTO. So the vehicle has been registered. So now we can see that this particular user has a specific vehicle ID and will be giving out fines to that particular vehicle. So the vehicle ID is 6. We'll give out a fine, location, on what date, the description, and if we are giving a strike. So once you get 3 strikes, that user will be deleted because he's violating the rules. So now if you look at the details, he'll have all the necessary values, the registration number, issue date, license number, and a vehicle ID. So we have a statistics page as well. We basically have 3 main statistics where we see the fines, vehicles, fines every year and fines according to the city. So I'll walk you through one of those. So this is basically in that particular city, what is the fine collected. So we have 3 more statistics like this. So this is basically what the admin privileges are. And as we need CRUD operations, so we update and delete options as well. So if you want to update the details of that particular user, enter the values. And for now, his address is Bloomington, so we can change it to Chicago. So once we submit and check the details again, you can see that his address has been changed. So similarly, if you want to delete that particular user, so we enter his details and submit. And if you check the details, that user will be deleted. So in the user view, he doesn't have much scope. He can just view his license and the fine ticket that has been issued to him. So if you look at the user details, this is basically his driving license containing all the details. And these are the fine tickets that have been issued to him. So once you get 3 tickets, he'll be deleted for violating the rules. So this is basically a contact page if he has some queries to contact the nearest RTO office. Thank you.